Good morning, Nash. The quest for content is one that I am very bad at completing. So today, I have a video about making videos, because guess what? I couldn't come up with anything better. Step 1. Come up with a video idea. This step can take a bit of time. Coming up with a video idea is definitely the hardest part of making a video. Not because it requires a lot of effort, but simply because you quickly realize that all of your ideas are terrible. Step 2. Scrap your video ideas. This step can take just as much time, as some video ideas make it up to the point where you've written an entire script and have started to pick up actors, only to realize that you didn't laugh once at your video. Step 3. Procrastinate. Step 4. Realize that your video is due on Friday. This step is marked with a period of extreme stress and repeating steps 1 and 2 over and over again until you finally come up with a video idea that's barely good enough to get credit. Step 5. Write your script. This is the part where everyone tries to pretend that they're funny, only to realize that having 2 punchlines with no build-up will get absolutely no laughs. Step 6. Film and record a voiceover. Step 7. Edit. This step is where you make everything in your video at least seem coherent. It's also the step where you would add music or explosion effects.